Hello everybody, welcome to English Fluency Center. Today we are going to teach you English Basic Phrases Section 2. This is your English teacher, Uwingabiye. Thank you for. Saying thank you is telling someone you appreciate what they have done. Iyo ubwiye umuntu ngo thank you, umwereka ko wishimiye ibyo bakoze cyangwa bashimiye ibyo bakoze. This can either be something they did for you, gishobora kuba ikintu bagukoreye, or for someone else, cyangwa bakoreye undi muntu. Examples: thank you for inviting me. Wakoze kuntumira. Thank you for helping me move. Warakoze kumfasha kunyimura. Thank you for informing me about the job opening. Wakoze kumbwira ko hari akazi. Thank you for mailing that package for me. Wakoze kunyoherereza uwo muzigo. Thank you for working so hard. Warakoze gukora cyane. Thank you for stopping by to visit. Wakoze kunyura hano ngudusure. Thank you for replying to my email. Wakoze gusubiza email. Thank you for providing me with the answers. Wakoze kumpa ibisubizo. Thank you for heating up dinner. Wakoze gushyushya ibya nijoro. Thank you for hurrying to get here. Wakoze kubangukira kugera hano. Can I plus verb. When ending a sentence with a question mark, you soresheje interuro ikibazo. You are asking the person, uri kubaza umuntu, or people you are talking to, cyangwa abantu muri kuvugana, a question for which you would like an answer. Ikibazo ukeneye ko gisubizwa. Here you are asking permission to do a particular action. Ahangaha uri gusaba uruhushya cyangwa uburenganzira bwo gukora ikintu. Here are some examples. Can I attend the event? Ese icyo kirori nazakigeramo? Can I move to another spot? Nakimukira ahandi hantu. Can I call you tomorrow? Ese ejo naguhamagara? Can I complete this letter? Ese ibi nabyuzuza nyuma? Can I explain myself? Ese nakisobanura? Can I help you with your homework? Ese nabafasha mukoro wanyu? Can I include you in our plans? Ese nabashyira muri gahunda zacu? Can I introduce you to my coworkers? Ese nabapresenta ku bakozi nabapresenta abakozi dukorana? Can I inform you of some bad news? Ese nabamenyesha makuru mabi? Can I get plus noun. The phrase can I get can be used in couple different ways. Can I get ishobora gukoreshwa mu buryo butandukanye. You can use it to ask a question wayikoresha ubaza ikibazo. Examples: Can I get a cup of water? Nshobora mwampa itasi cyangwa se igikombe cy'amazi. Can I get a dog? Mwampa imbwa. Ubu ngubu bivuze ngo can I get kongeraho izina uri gusaba. Can I get lunch? Mwampa ibya saa sita. Can I get sugar in my coffee? Mwampa isukari muri ikawa. Can I get popcorn at the movie? Ese mwampa injugu muri filime? I'm not sure if. Subject plus a verb. I'm not sure expresses a feeling of uncertainty or lack of confidence on a particular matter. Iyo umuntu avuze ngo I'm not sure, bivuze ko wumva utabihagazeho cyangwa se utabyizeye ikintu runaka, ikibazo runaka cyihariye. Examples: I'm not sure if they will offer me the job. Sinizeye ko bazampereza akazi. I'm not sure if she will return my call. Sinizeye ko azanyitaba kuri telefone. I'm not sure if my wife will understand. Sinizeye ko umugore wanjye azabyumva. I'm not sure if we'll go out tonight. Sinizeye ko tuzasohokana. I'm not sure if I can handle it. Sinizeye ko nabikora. I'm not sure if it will happen. Sinizeye ko bizaba. I'm not sure if it will matter. Sinizeye ko bizagira agaciro. I'm not sure if my mom will notice. sinizeye ko mama azabimenya. I'm not sure if they will permit us to park there. Sinizeye ko bazatwemerera guparika aho ngaho. Do you mind if I plus a verb? You are asking someone in present tense if they object to something you are asking. Ahanga yubwiye umuntu ngo do you mind if I kongeraho inshinga uba urimo kubwira abantu mu ndagi niba babyemera ko wababaza. Example, do you mind if I excuse myself? Ese wabyemera nka gusaba imbabazi? Do you mind if we left early? Ese wakemera ko tugenda kare? Do you mind if I take a nap? Ese wakemera ko naruhuka? Do you mind if I ask your mom? Ese wakemera ko mbaza mama wawe? Do you mind if it snows? Ese wakemera kwihanganira urubura ruguye? You could also use the word would. Nanone wabasha gukoresha ijambo would. Here are some examples. Would you mind if we went out to eat? Ese wakemera ko tujya hanze kurya? Would you mind if I opened the window? Wakemera ko mfungura idirisha? Would you mind telling me what you're doing? Mwitondere iri jambo. Urabona ko muri phrases za mbere bavuze ngo would you mind if, iyo bavuze ngo would you mind if I, it has a whole past. Okay? Ariko iyo ari muri present ushaka kubwira umuntu ukabikora. Iyo ubwiye umuntu ngo would you mind if, ugiye wowe uri kumusaba uburenganzira ngo ubikore, ariko iyo umubwiye ngo would you mind telling me, ubu mubwira we abikore. Would you mind telling me what you're doing? Ese wakemera kumbwira ibyo uri gukora? Would you mind being quiet for a minute? Wakemera guceceka umunota umwe? Would you mind if I changed the channel? Wakemera ko mpindura shene? Lesson 20. Isomo rya 20. I don't know what to. You are letting someone know that you are not sure about what is being asked. Uba urimo kumenyesha umuntu ko utazi neza icyo ari kubaza. You may also have no knowledge or opinion on a topic. Ushobora kuba utabifitiye ubumenyi cyangwa nta gitekerezo ku ngingo runaka. Example, I don't know what to eat for dinner. Sinzi icyo twaza kurya bya nijoro. I don't know what to buy for your birthday. Sinzi icyo kugura ku sabukuru yawe. I don't know what to say. Sinzi icyo navuga. I don't know what to do with my spare time. Sinzi icyo namaza umwanya ntari gukora akazi. I don't know what to do for vacation. Sinzi icyo nakora mu kiruhuko. I don't know what to do to make you happy. Sinzi icyo nakora ngo ngushimishe. I do not know what to do to help you understand. Sinzi icyo nakora ngufashe gusobanukirwa. I do not know what to think. Sinzi icyo natekereza. I do not know what to do to prevent this. Sinzi icyo nakora ngo ibi mbihagarike. I do not know what to order. Sinzi icyo nakora, sinzi icyo natumiza. Lesson 21. I should have. Mbibutse ko ijambo I should have ushobora kurihinduka ngo I should have. I should have. Ubwo kugira ngo mbivuge kize apostrophe hejuru ya should, mitanandikaho v inyuma, ndasoma ngo I should have kongeraho past participle. Should is the past tense of the word shall. Should ni mpitagihe y'ijambo shall, y'imvugo shall. When using the words should have, you komatanije amagambo should na have. You are talking about something in the future that you ought to or might have done. Uburi kuvuga ko hari ikintu mu gihe cyahise wagombaga gukora. Niyo umuntu avuze ngo I should have, avuze ngo nagombaga kuba naragize gutya na gutya, aricyo bisobanuye kimwe na might have done. Examples: I should have gone with you. Nagombaga kujyana nawe. I should have studied more for my test. Nagombaga kuba narize cyane kubera nitegura ikizamini. I should have read the directions before starting. Nagombaga gusoma amerekezo mbere yo gutangira. I should have eaten breakfast this morning. Nagombaga kuba nariye ibya mu gitondo muri iki gitondo. I should have listened to your advice. Nagombaga kuba narateze amatwi inama zawe. I should have married her when I had the chance. Nagombaga kuba naramushatse nkamugira umugore igihe nagize amahirwe. Mbibutse ko iyo uhina uravuga uti I should have gone with you. Mu kimo cyo kuvuga ngo I should have,